what I've done is I put a straight edge on here to make sure we're still on track on our center control line, which I have that squiggly mark on. I know that's the center of the room. So what I've done is I put this framing square with my straight edge on the tile, and it looks like we're doing real good. So we're right on that line, and we're right on with the square. If you keep doing this, even though I'm off the line a little bit, as you can see, for whatever reason, but it doesn't really matter as long as you have your tile working right for you and you keep checking as you go. This way it will work good for you. So here we have almost 40 square feet. I just measured it. Without that tile, it's just less than 40 square feet. It's 40 square feet minus that tile, and that's one full bag of thin set with a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch trowel. Now we've used it pretty heavy, so the requirements are rated on the bags, and usually you get 40 to 50 square feet per bag. So we're doing pretty good. We're going to go mix up some more thin set and continue on. Okay, so we're coming right along. We've got some nice straight edges. It got a little deep there. It took me a little while for those 6 tiles there, but we're coming right along. We're going to do another row of 4 in each square. So we're going to continue on. I've got my rubber mallet now. Don't really need it that much, but it's better than using my hand if I have to use it. So here we have dropping a tile in. We're going to see which way. We don't want the lines to match up, so we'll turn it again, turn it again. That's the way it goes. Feel each corner. If you want, you can use the rubber mallet a bit. Check it with the roller. Looks pretty good. Too much thin set, I think. When the floor's nice and flat, it works good. Looks good. On to the next square. This is when it's nice and flat, the floor.